Hey guys, this is Bring Back the Farm. We're here at the livestock for the Utah County Fair.
Help protect their bodies from bacteria and fungus.
Oh, they have most of the sheep in body bags or coverings to protect them from fungus, I guess. But check those out.
They've been shaved, they've been shorn. To protect their
Say
skin.
that again?
All the sheep have been, all of their hair has been shaved or shorn or whatever you call it, so they have them in these body bags, sleeping bag type things to help protect their skin from bacteria and fungus.
There you have it. There you have it. Hi. Check those out. Look at those. Lambs. Let's see what's over here. More lambs. Look at those. Some more lambs. Got some pigs. What do you see, Will? You see piggies? Look at those piggies. Look at them. They're huge. They're chilling. Piggies. Look at those. There's some big pigs. Look at those. Those are huge. And check these ones out. Wow, that's cool. They're just chilling, having a good time out here. Look at that. Alright guys, we're off again. We're going to go look for some more animals here at the Utah County Fair. Let's see what's over here. Blackhurst, lambs. Look at those. There they are. They're looking pretty good. Okay, there we go. We're walking. We're walking. Alright, we just got here to the cows. Here are the cows. Let's look at this one. Look at those. They're looking good. Look at those cows. Oh, there it comes. Hi, cow. How's it going? Doing good. Look at those. Those are big cows. Here's some more cows.